Hey guys, good morning to all of you. Hope you all are well. So guys, today in this video, I will share with you recent job openings from Netherlands. I hope you all of know that Netherlands is a European country. So guys, as you know, since few months there have some office and job openings are stopped, and due to COVID-19, many disturbances. But now it's gradually open for job openings, and if you are interested to apply for this job, please keep watching this video till the end and let's know what is the recent job openings from Netherlands. And if you are really eligible for this job, you can apply as soon as possible. So let's start and know what is the job openings. The first job is production worker required in Netherlands. Guys, I would like to tell you something. There are all informations about these requirements. It's not possible to read it line by line, so my request, please go to the descriptions below this video and collect these informations and read it carefully. So let me share with you the important points. This is a Netherlands job openings, urgent job vacancies. Job is production worker. To work as a production worker, you should have the requirements of experience in production work, high motivations, basic knowledge of English, German, driving license B. You should have minimum of requirements, which is important to know that what are the requirements to apply for this job. If you are fulfilling these requirements which is mentioned right here, you can apply as soon as possible by forwarding your updated CV to the given official email ID. Also, you can follow up to your CV by this contact number which is provided by the company. So guys, next job is glass house worker. To work as a glass house worker, you should have minimum of experience in glass house, communicative knowledge of English or German, driving license B. They will offer you permanent job with regular hours, possibilities to get a raise after 6 months, and approved accommodations, free transport to work. This is very good facilities by the foreign companies. If you are really interested to work at a glass house and if you have the proper experience in the relevant field, you can apply by sending to the given official email ID. So you should have to send your all documents, CV and all certificates, everything details. Once you're sending your CV will be shortlisted for interview. You can attend the interview. Then once you're getting success from the interview, of course you will get a chance to move Netherlands with a job. So guys, let's go to next job, agriculture worker. I hope you all of know that to work as an agriculture worker, the basic needs and the experience requirements in the agriculture field. So if you have the experience in this field, you can apply by forwarding your updated CV to the given official email ID. Also, you can follow up this CV by this number. Next job is ground worker. To work as a ground worker, you should have minimum of experience in the kind of job, high motivations, intermediate English, driving license B, BCA certificates. This is basic requirements to apply for this job. So again, I would like to tell you, please go to the descriptions below this video and read all informations regarding this job informations. Next job is landscaping worker. To work as a landscaping worker, you should have the minimum of experience in the relevant field and you need to forward your updated CV to the given official email ID. Then only you can apply for this job and you can attend the interview. Next job is multiple vacancies in multiple locations. So let's know what are the job vacancies. Property insurance general manager. It's high profile job. Please, my sincere request, please apply as soon as possible if you are really talented and if you have the proper experience. Next is insurance broker general manager. It's very high skill jobs. Then next, custom clearance operator manager. All are manager jobs. Air fighter operator managers, tax manager, web developer, Java developer. All are high profile jobs. There is an internal auditor supervisors requirements, only female. So this is very important. You have to follow, you have to read it carefully from the descriptions. For which job you are eligible, you can apply for this job by forwarding your updated CV to giving official email ID. Next, I would like to give you the information top 50 Canadian employers through which you can apply for these jobs. So let me tell you, according to article October 2020, you can give here rank and name and headquarters. So top 50 Canadian employers. That means through this company you can apply for this job. Number one, Google. The headquarters is Toronto, Ontario. Number two, head to Quebec. It's Quebec Montreal headquarters. Then next, Cisco Systems. Next, Costco Wholesales. Next, Ubisoft. Next, Microsoft, Boeing, Air Transport, FedEx. Next, University of Toronto. Next, General Dynamics. So, University the Sherbrooke, ABB, Pfizer, Ericsson, Apple, BC Hydro, Siemens, Page, Starbucks, Canada Catfish, Siemens, Amazon, Pratt, Coca-Cola, Laval University, Queens, University of Cliff, Ryan. So they are all top 50 job employers who can provide you the job. So I hope this information will be helpful for your careers. That's why I'm sharing you. If you want to apply directly, you can search on Google by this number. You can enter in these websites and looking for job, and if there have some openings you can apply by online. That's why I'm sharing with you this informations. This list is top 50 employers across the world. So I hope this important information will be helpful for your careers. If you are looking for a abroad job, don't be late, don't lose your hope. Gradually all office will be open, gradually all process will be start. So don't worry, you just trying to apply, you just start to apply, then it will be okay. So guys, I hope this information from Netherlands is very important for all job seekers who are looking for abroad job. They can apply if they have the proper qualifications and experience as per mentioned right here by the employer. Then only they can apply for this job. So guys, again lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. The next video I'll try to share with you recent job openings from other countries. Up to that, stay with me. God bless you. Bye bye.